What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're officially at the Clean Culture Show. We finished the car, finished the underbelly pans, and we made it here. We did not make it here without any hiccups, so didn't put enough bolts in the bottom, so it kind of flops around a little bit. We gotta fix that. We made it. We're here. And we also have Alex. This thing is obnoxiously clean. What's up? Alex's car is so good. A long time ago, we made videos with Alex and his Genesis.
That was a good way to introduce myself, grinding my own gears.
They made you sound a lot cooler though, because it didn't sound like you grind your gears. We thought you scraped that reflector, so.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's totally what happened.
Yeah, totally what happened.
100%. On a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult was that to unpeel? I suck at kendama. Please fry me in the fucking comment section. It's only been like, what, 5-7 years?
5-7 years since we actually made a video together.
With 2 cars that still aren't done.
With 2 cars, right.
2 non-genocide.
2 non-Genesis,
yes.
Right.
And I do have the kendama in the backpack. Don't worry, shit ain't changed.
We're gonna take a perfect opportunity right now while we're both standing here together. If you guys have not checked out our podcast,
go watch it, dude.
Go watch it.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Like, why would you sit here and watch this and then not watch the podcast?
Right.
You're just a big dummy. I'm sorry.
Car show day, officially the first car show that this thing actually has been at, where it's like bolted together with no screws and everything like that. Last time we went to Big SoCal Euro, it was still held on kind of janky and just barely made it there. Now it's officially on. The bumper gaps are nice. We got a pretty sick venue, so let's just walk around. We're gonna have a good time. Well, Alex, the last time that we saw you,
yes,
everybody saw your Genesis, and you've had 2 cars since then, right?
Yeah, you missed one, dude.
Yeah, we missed a whole car.
I had a RC350 that looked
and
identical to this, and then I was like, you know what? Same car, different platform. That's the whole story, pretty much. Big 326 guy, big Tiedemann guy.
What's on here?
326 3D Star kit, 326 Java King spoke wheels, 326 custom collab dead-on lug nuts, full Tiedemann suspension, struts and arms, airlift management. That's about it. Less is more.
Look at how far we've come. This guy went from being a 326 fanboy to being a 326 like
big demo car guy.
Big demo car representative guy.
Yeah, that's been
crazy.
Coolest thing to ever happen in my entire life, literally. Probably wouldn't have been able to do this, at least to this extent, without that, or without them. So thank you, Haraguchi, I love you.
Shout out 326. One of the coolest things about this car,
biggest mouth.
The mirror visors.
Shout out Aerowolf. That might be one of my favorite. That might be the favorite thing on my car, honestly.
Yeah. The carbon fiber roof is so nice.
Although the base model comes with a glass roof.
Just kind of sick too.
Yeah, the interior of my car is so dark with the windshield tint and everything that the glass roof really would have been super sick, but
yeah,
I didn't want the base model.
Can't go wrong with carbon though.
There's already bird poop on my car.
We did park right under the trees.
Yeah, that wasn't too smart.
What I'm most excited about for this show is that we never really do stuff in this area, so a lot of the cars that we have out here are things that we really don't get to see too often, so it's gonna be fun to see all these.
This might be my first Clean Culture show, actually.
This may be a super throwback video, because you want to know who I'm seeing right now? Luke Schaefer, the guy who we were plastic dipping, whose house we were plastic dipping. He's over right here, like straight dead yonder. That BMW over there, full blown reunion.
Wait, full blown reunion.
This is Luke's car. Your wheel is...
It's shaving off because static life. But it looks cool in the grass because it looks like I'm in the ground. But you wouldn't think I'm static. I mean, yeah, most people don't think I'm static. Courtesy of Clean Culture event, thank you very much.
Oh, the new cracked lip?
Yes.
There's a lot of people with cracked lips due to that rolling.
Yeah, fuck it. Just put a new piece of vinyl over it, it'll be fine. There you go.
This is a real throwback video. This is the first time you've been on this channel in fucking years.
I was on one of your first videos.
Look a little more inked up since the last time we've seen you.
It's been some years.
Yeah,
look at
same,
this
bro.
guy.
And you also have a new freaking whip, bro.
New car.
New car, new life.
Totally. That's the motto. We all got new stuff we gotta finish, you know? Fun little daily, nothing special.
Again, you want to reiterate for the people, static.
It is static. That's the only cool part about the car if you think that's cool, but
Yeah. It's not on washers, right?
not at all. No, it's a proper setup. I would never do that.
I would have immediately taken back everything I said.
No, you can look inside. It's all custom arms, caster camber, rear toe arms. Everything's custom. Basic cheap BMW. Put a little money into whatever you think is cool, and that's it.
This is what you get.
That's it. Really nothing.
Can be done without washers.
Shout out to Revolve Wheels. They hooked me up.
I know, the
Mismatched
two
set.
sets, which is pretty sick, actually. I didn't even realize that until I walked to the other side.
Originally had these, and then they came out with those. Exact spec. I cracked the wheel.
And you're just like, fuck it, give me a...
Yeah, instead of getting like a replacement or fixing the one, I was like, let's get the two different ones.
The show starts.
Yes.
My crazy ass brother and his partner both have Supras.
Well, I mean, true, they wanted to stay in the BMW family, right?
That's exactly right.
True.
So he's doing well.
He's doing really well. I got
I'm so
nothing
stoked
but
for
respect for those guys. Jake and Sam, love you guys. Striker Performance, forever.
Does Jake still have the Chevelle?
It's the El Camino. Funny story, it's not funny at all. Someone tried to steal it last weekend on Father's Day.
Yeah. What the hell?
Awful. You can't do anything cool because everyone's jealous and wants your shit.
Let's flip this upside down and have it on a good note.
Cheers! No more stealing our cars.
And let's enjoy the rest of this show. Crushed it. Damn it, bro. You know what else just happened?
Solid, dude.
I just did this without the mic turned on.
Oh, god damn it.
R.I.P. I'm a big idiot. Just did that whole thing with without the audio on. I was saying I'm a big Thai tea guy, and I don't know if this is gonna beat the Thai tea. We just got black tiger sugar tea,
It's really good.
and it's bomb.
short.
Long story short,
It's
it's
fucking
bomb.
fire. Yeah.
Get it. Caramel macchiato without the coffee.
Damn, bruh. I look like a dumbass. God damn it. I usually bring an extra shirt, but I did not.
It's hard to drive something like this and be like, oh, I'm trying not to be too flashy.
Yeah.
Are you gonna compete to see if Clean Culture will judge you?
They might not even know me. Thank you, dude. Fuck yes. Product reveal. Sheesh! No! No! Okay, we're putting it on. Oh, nice fit. We got a sale going on, 4th of July, 25% off, nothing. It's all full price, I lied.
Actually, those shirts are on sale.
Just kidding. Ba-ba-ba-ba.
$5 off. Here are your
$5
stickers.
off. Buy a shirt, you get some sticks.
Yeah.
Is this
2022.
beer? I got beer right here. How did I not see this?
Why isn't this like advertised?
I know.
This should be beers in the back.
This should have a way bigger line.
This should be lights.
Honestly, bro, I got swamp ass right now. I gotta change it to another underwear.
How's your ass, Kevin?
I know you got
Yeah,
swamp.
you got swamp ass?
Sweaty ass.
Oh, that was
Sound
solid.
effect.
That was solid.
How's it going, man?
Yeah.
There you go. That'll be $14.
Here's to $14 beers.
That's why I didn't get one. Jeez Louise. I'll give you a white claw after that.
Okay.
You're owed one.
You're a little toasty. Oh man.
Welcome to my life, man. This shit sucks.
Hey, sick.
What's that? $7, dude.
What? 7?
Yeah, dude. What a fucking steal.
Why the fuck did I pay 14?
Just 14. They probably charge you double.
They probably charged me double for that guy's drink and my drink. What a fuck.
I would say they either fucked up yours or they fucked up mine.
Right.
Badminton is kind of one of mine.
All the way.
That shit.
Not supposed to do that.
I thought you wanted to say something about the movie Sorry.
There's nothing. I can't grab it because this is like the main one, dude.
That high school rock climbing class was a long time ago, huh?
Yeah.
little bit. Only like a decade, dude. Dude, what the fuck? What? Yeah, there's nowhere to go. They're too loose.
Well, Alex, pin culture has been fun. I think I messed this video up bad because I don't even have a microphone on this because I left it on in the car.
Is that a 50?
This is not a 50 mil. This is like a 16.
GG, dude.
Yeah.
It's been sweaty. It's been sweaty.
Sweaty.
I did not get to play kendama. A little disappointed.
He thought he was gonna win an award, but stolen by Dana again.
Every time. Understandable.
Yeah.
But fuck you.
Fuck, Alex just won something. We were fucking around. Sorry, Alex. Bro, I'm so sorry. I wasn't paying attention when you.
Suck my dick, bro. I take this so serious.
Hey, you're a trophy hunter now, bro?
Hell yeah, bro. I come to shows just for the plastic.
I wasn't paying attention. I really wanted to film if you got an award.
I should have done what I did last time and just held my camera on my face the whole time. It's pretty cool.
It is cool. Is it? Is it? Oh, it's nice.
A little etched.
Nice. Alex Burley. Okay, what is your award for? What'd you win?
Sickest dude out here, dog.
Oh.
Fucking sweatiest guy.
Most sweaty. Well, I hope you guys had a good time of me doing some B-roll, talking about some random stuff.
A completely random video, totally out of order, about pretty much nothing, but it's enjoyable because it's, you know, cars and car content.
Right. Sick. Catch you guys in the next one. If I don't upload this, it's because I didn't make it.